What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and I hope you're having an amazing day. Today we're diving into some authentic Jamaican flavors right here in the heart of Edmonton. A Yah Mi Deh is the name of the restaurant, and if you are a fan of bold spices, tender meat and soulful foods, this is the spot. So let's get into it and explore the incredible food culture behind A Yah Mi Deh. On a day-to-day basis, what is the schedule like in terms of business?
Well, from Monday to Thursday, we open from 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. On a Monday, we have like oxtail, jerk chicken, fried chicken, jerk pork. And on a Tuesday, we have all that plus stew chicken involved. On a Wednesday, all that plus curry chicken. On a Thursday, all that plus barbecue fried chicken. On Saturdays we have ackee and saltfish, callaloo and saltfish, goat belly soup, red pea soup, sometimes American porridge, sometimes peanut porridge, and yeah.
And by goat belly, she means manish water. Manish water, or goat head soup, is a staple at Jamaican gatherings, especially during events like wedding, parties, or even a lively street-side food stall. It is a dish steeped in tradition and is said to be a remedy of hangover, boost of energy, and even an aphrodisiac. Its fragrance is spicy and it is packed with local ingredients, each bring its own unique touch to the broth. But what's most important, I'll start with the goat. In the Jamaican cuisine, no part of the animal is wasted, and the soup is a perfect example of that. It's also another delight across the Caribbean community. What feedback do you get from the food and the customers?
Always positive feedback, and I have customers that come here at least sometimes 3 times one day. And I have my regular customer. I have one, he comes every Saturday and every Tuesday. Rupert, this one is for you. So today we have oxtail, curry goat, fried chicken, jerk pork, curry goat, barbecue fried chicken, and we have some done to other stuff. We have curry shrimp, curry chickpea, brown stew chickpea, curry tofu, so for the vegetarians. Yes, we have plantain, we have cocoa bread also, and cocoa bread is made in-house. Yeah, and we have patties as you see.
For the breakfast menu, the amount of customers that comes here. Now even all the flavors to suit your taste buds. You have your peanut brittle and you have your grata cake. Grata cake is actually coconut cut down and flavored. Also we have some sweet buns, your fried chicken, your Barbie fried chicken right here, callaloo. This is for the breakfast menu, and you also have dumplings. You got your rice and peas, and you're putting in jerk chicken.
We have a special season that we mix stuff together. So season to marinate it and then we jerk it.
Are you gonna reveal the sauce?
No, I can't. That's a secret.
One coleslaw, one plantain.
Oh, and she's putting on the plantain on there too.
So usually one customer don't get all that. They get
You get to see a lot of many different carvings of what you will find in Jamaica and the surrounding islands as well. We're gonna go with the dumpling first to see if it passed the buoyancy test. You can already see the steam emitting out of it already. Let's try and put a little bit of the oxtail gravy with it. Just show a little bit of the glaze that's inside of it as well. It's very soft. It's smooth. Eating a dumpling is almost like eating a festival, but you have different makeup, the dumpling and the festival. I like the presentation. They put everything to the side and then you get to see the presentation of the plate. We're gonna mix the curry goat and the rice together. Perfect spoonful. It eats really good. You can feel every fiber coming out of the curry goat. Wow, look at this. The bone just steps right out of the meat. This is really amazing, guys. Look at that. Oh, yes. The meat just slides right off. The immaculate flavors and the taste is just out of this world. The coconut milk is very apparent inside of the rice and peas. You taste the spices, you taste the pimentos. Only a few selective items on this plate you can eat with your fingers, including the oxtail. It has to come off of the bone. It has to be sliding right off of it. You can already see how much they cooked it, but it looks like it's about to fall off. You can also taste a bit of the jerk sauce on the oxtail. Jerk chicken sauce is also universal. It can be used for many different meat kinds. It's the rice and peas. I really like the fact that you can taste the coconut milk and everything is cooked perfect. Whether it's Trinidad, Guyana, Jamaica, it doesn't matter. You just have to make sure that the food that you're eating, the drink also complement everything that's on this dish so perfectly. Coleslaw, the pepper, put a little bit of it in there. Then we get a piece of the curry goat. The oxtail is really tender. There's no rubbery texture with a bit of the spiciness. The oxtail, it also contrasts everything on the plate. We haven't started on the jerk chicken yet or the barbecue fried chicken. And this is what I was able to come away with. You can see the stretchiness of the jerk chicken. Fiber is just coming off of it. Everything else that you guys see, look at that. You guys can already see the jerk chicken just falling apart. The different textures that you're tasting from the jerk chicken, the rice, the coleslaw. You see the crunchiness, the softness, the fibrous texture, and then the rice. The food is cooked very well. Look at how fast it's come apart. Nothing is out of place on this dish. The flavorfulness, and you also get many different highlights of what the plates have to really offer. Just by how the food is prepared, the presentation, you can tell how organic the food is, how the food really balances itself as you're eating it. We have the barbecue fried chicken, so we're going to take off a nice little chunk. The fibers, you don't get any form of elasticity. It's not overcooked, not undercooked. You can't help yourself but just indulge into everything. We have good combinations, good collaborations between many different sauces across the plate, including the rice and peas, the jerk chicken, the coleslaw. It meet my expectations. I would rate this restaurant a 10 out of 10 in terms of flavor, taste. All you're seeing is just remains of the aftermath. Enjoy the work. So if viewers are looking to get in touch with you guys, how can they get in touch?
So we're on Instagram and Facebook and the website A Yah Mi Deh Jamaican Restaurant. For the platforms that we have Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Skip the Dish. For call-in order, call, order, and pick up, we do it over the phone. So you could call in as well for catering. We also have catering done.
For their information, I'll put the link in the description box for you guys to go and check them out. And don't forget, guys, A Yah Mi Deh restaurant. It's really good. The food is on point and everything slap wet. 4435 118 Avenue, Northwest Edmonton, Alberta, guys. That's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please leave a comment in the comment section. And we're out, guys.